So in this video here, we're going to see how we can train a custom YOLO11 model with the Ultralytics HUB. So we basically just need to have our data set in a specific format. We can upload it into the Ultralytics HUB, train it in just a few steps. Instead of using Google Colab and so on, we can directly just use the Ultralytics HUB. We can do comparisons between models, upload your data set, choose the model that you want, train it, export it, and use it in your own applications and projects. So just jump straight into the Ultralytics HUB website. We have a ton of videos already covering like pretty much all of these tabs, how you can create your own custom data set, either with different tools and so on, export it into the correct format, and then upload it into here. We also talk about the high parameters and so on. So if you just go inside the datasets tab, I have a custom data set. If you scroll a bit further down, you can also upload the data set for each individual task. So both classification, detection, RNA bounding boxes, segmentation, and also post-estimation. So if you choose one of them, you can see an example data set. So right now I have one here for detecting cups. So this is the format that you need to have it in. We have a data YAML file. Our data YAML file basically just specifies the path to our train, validation, and test split, the number of classes, and then the names of the classes in our custom data set. So that's pretty much everything that we need. And then we need to have our train, test, and validation set. And inside each folder, we need to have our images. And then we also need to have our labels. So if you just open up the labels file, this is the YOLO format. Here we have our bounding box coordinates. They're normalized with the image width and the image height. And then we'll have the classes here in the first column. So this is pretty much everything that you need. Then you can just upload your dataset onto the Ultralytics HUB. And if we scroll a bit further down, we have this cup detection v2. So let's just take that one. So we go inside the dataset. We can see the thumbnails of our cups and also just the images in our dataset. We can take a look at our train, validation, and test split. And when we're ready to go, we can just go in, hit train model. We have all the new YOLO11 models available up here. Right now, let's just go with a nano model just for testing purposes, but you can test out different models here. You can do comparisons and so on in the Ultralytics HUB, and you don't have to write any code at all. You just need to press the dataset, the model, hit train, and you're good to go. So right now we can also specify some advanced model configurations. Let's just go with 30 epochs for now. There we go. It's going to automatically use the device available. We hit continue. So once we hit continue here, we'll get a tab where you can either use the Ultralytics Cloud, Google Colab, or bring your own agent if you want to train it locally. So right now we can go down and choose the available instances. We can also specify how many epochs, or if you want to train it for a specific time, but normally you just choose the number of epochs. If you're just training it right now, just try out with 100 to start with. That's a pretty good number. And then we can specify which GPU we want to use. So they have a bunch of different GPUs available. Like you can even get up to NVIDIA H100 if you want to train some really hardcore models. But right now, let's just go with then RTX 4090. That should be fine for now. We can also just go with this one here. It's a bit cheaper per hour. So this is actually like pretty good pricing if you just want to have a GPU and also just train it on your own data set. So let's hit start training. You can either like pay now or use your credit from a pro account. So it'll just take a couple of minutes here. It will spin up the GPU, all the instances, download the model, and also download your dataset, and then it will start the training. It will log all the metrics in here live, so then you pretty much don't have to do anything. No code at all, no Google Colabs, nothing. We can just connect our dataset, choose the model that we want to use. We're using the new YOLO11 model on our own custom dataset. We train it, we wait, and then we can use it in our own applications and projects. So now we can see that our training has started. It's going to log all these metrics, both precision recall, mean error precision, 0.50, and also 0.50 to 0.95. Right now we're at around 20 epochs, and we have only training this for 30. So again, we might not converge yet, but we can see we have pretty good recall. Our precision is starting to come up now together with the mean error precisions. So just from this model here, we're already able to detect these cups. After done training, we'll get the preview tab where we can go in and do some model testing, evaluations, and so on. You also get the losses here. I'm going to do the evaluation, but if we scroll a bit further up, we have our configuration, we have our charge, preview, and also if we want to deploy it. So this is our configuration. We have our charts with all our metrics. We have our preview tab. So if you go inside this preview tab, you can basically just drop in your images. You can do some initial evaluation and so on. And if we actually go inside the deployment, where we can go and take our model, either we can deploy it with the shared inference API, export it into the PyTorch format, as we can see here. Then we can convert it into all the other different formats and so on later on. But this is how easy it is to use. And you can take this model, use it in your own applications and projects. We pretty much have videos covering every single step of how you can use Ultralytics, the computer vision pipeline, how you go from dataset to model, and also put it into production. So thanks a lot for watching this video here. I hope you learned a ton. Definitely go and check out the Ultralytics Hub. It's just a few clicks and you have your computer vision system up and running. I hope to see you guys in one of the upcoming videos. Until then, happy training.